Good morning, everybody. NITO on the move. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget, NITO already suggest for taking profit on this one. NITO, it is the best one for today. Yes, NITO, man, it was the hunt for today. It was the best. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, NITO to the moon, man. But guys, the 73 should be a resistant. I expect a huge pullback around the 76. Huge pullback is coming, guys, for NITO. So it's getting risky right now after almost testing the second profit taken. Now we expect a pullback for NITO around 52 first. Yeah, we might have a pullback at the moment because it's kind of overextended, guys, after testing this level here, just below the 76. AIF broke the trend, everybody. We have a trend here. We broke it. So it's a bit risky play at the moment. We need to hold the $4 over the $4 to squeeze. For now, it is pulling back after breaking this support. For now, it is trending down. AIFF, NCNA is pulling back a lot. NVNI pulling back as well. So the best two is AIFF and NITO, guys. The rest is history. This one have acquisition. It pushed back right now after a huge jump. So it's not that good for me. The best one, as we said, is NITO for today, guys. The rest is not that good. SPRC, I don't like it, man. I don't like SPRC. Yeah. NVNI, again, NVNI, not my cup of tea after the pullback from the 47. If we broke the 47 or if we held the 37 would be great, but it's not on the main list. NITO, guys, make sure to take profit before the market open because we expect a huge pullback now around the 54 at least. Yeah, now the pullback will start for NITO because it's almost hit the second profit taken. Nice, nice, nice. Dexter already started to take the 50% on NITO. Great hunt, man. Great hunt. SPRC, I took it from the list for a reason. Is not even on our list. SPRC, the only one that I see. SPRC is pushing back up, but would be good if we broke the 44. Below the 44, I don't like it. If we broke the 44, let me know. For now, it is still low on action. ZCAR, the same. We have to break the 970 to be interesting. HIMS, the same. I'll take it from the list for now. SKX, if we broke the 6737, I will put it on the list for now. Not my cup of tea. Yeah, SPRC could be good, yes, for now. However, it need to break the 4040 or 44. Yeah, 44 should be the breakout zone. If we don't break it, it means we're gonna have a huge pullback. NITO, guys, is number one. Our hunters already took profit on NITO. It was a great hunt early on, guys. NITO, really great. Ahmed, what a nice trade for NITO today on our hunts. We discussed it early on our live streaming. Here, yeah, we got a really good hunt for NITO, guys, as you can see here. Ahmed already took his profit early on our live streaming that we did on our Discord and Patreon. And Dexter already took his profit right now, the 50%, other 50% profit from NITO. Great hunt, my brother. Great hunt. What else we got? You are welcome, man. As we said, NITO, I got the feeling from the first from today, guys. We said this number one from the start. We said this the number one from the start. Next profit taken, we already hit the second profit taken, man, around the 73, and now it's pulling back. So now at the market open, we might have a little push then flush, because now, for my opinion, is overextended. For NITO, guys, is overextended. So if you already enter, make sure to take a bit of profit again, because from the just the chart, you see it here is overextended, a bit overextended. However, still currently in the bullish trend. It need to pull back now, guys. It need to pull back a bit. The first pullback should be over the 58. Yeah, if we have the 58 at the market open, could be great. And then the 92 should be the other target. You said 97? No, 92, man. 92 cent is the top target for NITO, not even the $1. AIFF started to have a little reversal, but it broke the trend, guys. Watch out, AIFF, it broke the trend. Those the top stock on my list. The other one is SPRC, guys. Holy moly, look at that. We have a test for our resistance, the 44, exactly, and now it's pulling back. I'm gonna put support for SPRC, everybody, over the 38. SPRC, so we only got 3 stocks now. Hit the like button on the way in. Good morning, AMC Moon Guy. It's almost time to eat. Exactly. George, thank you for liking the video, brother. Thank you. Ahmed, good morning. Good morning, Amis, Lizzie, Sally. Sally is number one today. Waking up early on AIFF. He said it's not hot. No, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot today. Exactly. Shout out from Arkansas. Sally. IVF is not available in Europe. That's why we don't put it on the list, man. Good morning, Hunters. Chad, Santush, good vibes. Great name, man. iBio have great news this morning, but got shorted right away. Consolidating now and should see reversal. Thank you, Santush, for bringing iBio. I forget about it. It's not on our list. I will check it right now. Right, George, I will check it for you. GPUS, we were monitoring this, we were watching this one early in pre-market, but now it's not that good. Ahmed, good morning. Let us check right and iBio. Watch out, guys. SPRC is about to squeeze here before the market open. Let's check iBio if it is good. Yeah, it's here. No, it's not good, man. iBio is not good. So NITO is started to pull back, guys. NITO started to pull back. Currently, it's pulling back. Yeah, we're still inside the trend here. SPRC is squeezing, guys. SPRC is technically squeezing before the market open. Breaking from the 44. It's going toward the 48 and the 57. Let's see the stock that have earnings. PNTX, nothing. On is pulling back. For right. Yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah, right is pulling back because it got near the resistance, the 9, almost the 9. Now is pulling back a bit, just 2% to recorrect. This week we should hold over the 690 if we want to have another jump up for riots. 690, and target to break is the 9, and the target in the big picture is the $10. SMCI is still looking great below the 34. Tesla the same. Palantir is just below the resistance. The market doing all right, guys. Not that bad. Currently really good. The market really good. ZCAR, PLRZ. Yeah, PLRZ, guys, did 300%. Nobody tell me about it. Nobody talk about it. I don't know why, even though the technical and the trend is strong. So that's why I kept it on the list here because PLRZ, guys, is still looking juicy. With NVNI. NVNI, now I don't like it because it pulled back a lot after testing the 46. So I'm gonna keep PLRZ on the main list, guys, with SPRC, which, oh man, we got a bit of fake out here. You know what? I'm gonna adjust the resistance because here we got a bit of fake out. So the 47 is the current resistant currently. 47 is the resistant to test at the market open. AIFF is pulling back a lot here. NITO is pulling back toward the 58. What a nice hunt for NITO, everybody. What a nice hunt. Check. Yeah, SPRC is crazy, man. It is crazy. Guys, don't forget to hit and spread the like button. Share our live streaming. Sharing is caring, everybody. Remember, we always go live every day. Today, we suggest to watch night 2 early on, guys. On our live streaming, it was the best trade for today. It hit 2 target profit taken. As we said, if you want to join us early for a major update and alert for mini stocks, you can go directly on our community section for early updates. And after we finish this live streaming, the update will continue on our Discord and Patreon, everybody. If you're wondering, I just put the link to our community on the live chat section. So guys, if NGR up 12%, I don't care if it's up 12 or 30, and need the trend if it's good or not. FNGR, let's check this one out. No good, man. Yeah, it's jumping strong, but I don't like this one, man. It always goes slow. I don't like the trend. So yeah, AIFF is reversing from the support perfectly. SPRC getting near the 47. PLRZ is a bit weaker. Yeah, the top ones for today is SPRC and NITO. And after that, AIFF. Yeah, NITO and SPRC are the best for today. Let us check if we got something else going on. We got GPUS. Some of you ask about this, but I don't like it that much. Pulled back a lot, but still holding 120%. Let us double check if we got something else in the pre-market. NCNA, yeah, still NCNA. I think we have NCNA here, but yeah, NCNA's found a bit of support now over the 80 cent, guys. This one could be a good story of reversal. It pulled back a lot, now found support. There's a chance for a reversal for it. So as we said, NITO, it is the one to watch. Look at that. This one, we said it is number 1 for today early on, guys. We were watching this one closely and patiently because the price did fantastic job in reversing. You see, we have up and down, up and down, up and down, and we need this reaction going up again after reversing down there. This will be the best if we got this reaction. Yeah, would be great. So night as we discussed, guys, this one was on our early hunt here. We said NITO is number 1. As you can see here from our live streaming that we did today, NITO was number one early on before even the market opened. We watching NITO closely. MLGO, we did this. Yeah. Now NITO is pulling back just over our support. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Our hunters already took their profit on NITO early on. Great hunt, my brother Dexter, for taking your profit on this trade. Again, NITO was the good one, and now we watching for other entry. As a reminder, guys, last week we did major update for SMCR. We did for kids for the second time for Weeble. As you can see here, guys, Weeble was good for entry last week from this support, the $13. We always do update on our Discord and Patreon to warn our hunter for the major reversal or the breakout for mini stocks. For now, NITO was the best trade for today. Already took profit, the first profit and second profit was there, already hit here around the 72, 73. That's why we pulled back. I'm gonna lower this around the 73. The other level that we have to watch out for is the 72. Yes, 72 could be a good level. Now we have a free diving for NITO, almost free diving toward the support. A correction is coming up. IFF reversed SPRC, no good, man. I don't like it. It pulled back a lot now. It broke the support. So guys, SPRC is too dangerous. I think I'm gonna take it from the list. For my opinion here is too dangerous. SPRC, no good. IFF, AIFF looking fantastic at the moment. And PLRZ is still looking great. Exactly that. Look at this. Yeah, this is what I like. Yes. So NITO is still number one. You see, we got a little reversal here from this support. NITO looking great here for a takeoff for today. We got 5 minutes left. Let us check again. Today, guys, we're gonna do a swing trade for Palantir and Ford. Top swing trade stocks for today. Stock that have earnings. The most anticipated one is Palantir, and everybody betting on the market cap will turn to have a trillion. Now is 290 billion. So after the earnings, we might have this market cap change to have $1 trillion for Palantir, guys. This would be a madness. Look at the estimate, almost 37% suppressed, even for the revenue, expecting a huge, humongous 27 increase, almost 1 billion in the revenue. So this is crazy, man. Look on the compare on the other stocks. Palantir is almost over the or around the 30%, even for just 10%. FANG is 61%, but a smaller cap, a bit smaller cap compared to Palantir. Anyway, so we're gonna do a swing trade, guys, later on our Discord. We're gonna do a swing trade here on our King and swing trade alert. Last time we did everybody for Meta and Microsoft before the earnings. As you can see here, it was really good trade last month, at the end of the last month. Both of them did really great. So expect a major update for today, guys, on our Discord and Bitcoin to discuss the entry for those two stocks. For now, we got NITO. NITO looking great for a reversal held over the 58. So the main two is NITO and AIFF, everybody. Those the top stocks for today. The rest, I will do a little check here. GameStop, nothing. MLGO, ICCT, DJT, UPXI. We got a lot of stock that did great last week, but they are pulling back now. CEP now on the pullback area. Kids, guys, is reversing. Some of you asked me about kids, and now I know why. Because it started to reverse. I'm gonna put it on the main list, guys. Kids, Weeble, and maybe kids looking great. HIMS looking great as well. WW could be great later. This one, 125%. It look interesting for action for today. Yes, this one could be good at the market open. So I will keep my eyes closed on it. Yeah, those the top stocks for now, but I'm gonna take kids because it look really good now. And HIMS, ZCAR, not for now. KWE, not now. SPRC, yeah, great. So those the only stock that we have to watch for today. Guys, let us bring our disclaimer for today. The market is about to open at any seconds. Remember, everybody, we are not financial advisor. We always do our pre-market live streaming every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So hit the like and subscribe and put the notification on. Why? In order to be notified early and never missing the opportunity, because 1 minute could be the difference between making money and losing it. The same 1 minute or even 1 second in real life, it could be like the barrier between being alive and dead. 1 second is enough. The same for the market. You have to have fast reaction because 1 second can take your life or take your money. So that's why we have to be vigilant in the markets. Guys, hit the like and let's have a green day for today. Welcome wherever you are. If you are the first time here or you're listening for the first time by chance, remember we always do our live streaming every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, if you don't know, now you know, we always do major update for our hunter channels here to warn our hunters to take profit before the short seller entering. So let's get right to it, guys, and let's start our green day for today for the first day in the week. NITO, it is the top list on today. We already saw this stock early on before even this live streaming here. The best entry was here and we ride it up there. We took the profit and now we're watching for holding up over the 58 because the trend is still in the bullish side. We don't want to have the same reaction that happened for AIFF breaking the trend here. You see, this one broke the trend. For NITO, it's still not. Two, one, left off. The market is open. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. SMCI, Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia. We have a bit of red. This is normal, completely, utterly normal. Yeah, and we got a little correction for the market. NITO is still holding, guys. AIFF tried to go up, but sellers still are on the 259. PLRZ the same. There's a huge seller around the 144. Kids try to break the 769. NITO testing the supports. Okay, we might break the trend here. As we discussed, guys, NITO is overextended. We might have a huge correction for it if we broke the 58. If we held here, we're gonna have a reversal. This is it, guys. A huge test at the moment. If we don't, we're gonna have a huge pullback. Okay, we still trying. Okay, I think we're breaking, guys. NITO is going down. PLRZ is jumping up. NITO is going down. It was good for NITO before the market open. It was good before the market open. Again, we're still holding technically, guys, over the support, so we don't have a break yet. We don't break the 58 yet. We're still holding. Look at that. But this is the first signal for weakness to test below the 58. If we don't have a buyer right now, we're gonna flush. Now, if we don't have a buyer, we're gonna have a flush. AIFF, disappointed. We have a trap here at the market open, a huge trap just below the 460. PLRZ testing the resistance and rejection. Huge rejection for PLRZ. NITO, guys, is going down. You see, we don't have a buyer. NITO, time for a correction down. Time for a flush, guys, for NITO. Be careful. The flush is started. Yeah, the flush is starting right now. Yeah, the flush is starting. You see, guys, it's better to enter early on and it's good to take profit on. So this is a good lesson for you, Dexter, to always take your profit, brother. Always take your profit on NITO. Because if you don't, you see what's happened? The market open went down. So shout out. So NITO was great before the market open. You see, guys, the best plays, almost 99%, is good to enter in a pre-market. Because during the market open, sometimes, or most often lately, we always go down. So now is not ideal. We might go down toward the 52 for NITO to test the support, the other support. Yeah, for now, we going down toward the 52. PLRZ, yeah, confirmation. The 144, it is the resistance. NCNA, game over here, guys. I don't like it anymore. MVNI, still sleepy. Kids, still sleepy. NITO, still going down. Aha. Nice, nice. NITO. Dexter, great, man. Taking 100% training stop on NITO. Great hunt, my brother. This is what's up. Yes, great, man. Now it's going down, going down. PLRZ, nothing much. MVNI, nothing much. So let us check the other stock that we checked before. SPRC jumping up. SPRC looking great. Maybe GPUS, it could be good. WW could be good later. Yeah, the rest is history. Yeah, SPRC looking great now. WW could be good as well. WW is moving, guys. We have to break the 69 to squeeze up. Yeah, WW looking great. IBF next level is not available on Europe in Europe brokerage, so that's why we don't talk about it. Exactly. Thank you, John, for reminding everybody to hit the like button. FNGR, FNGR. I think we said is not good. Yeah, is not good. I don't like it. So yeah, NITO is going toward the support, guys. The 52 should be a strong support currently for NITO. AIFF is still flashing down toward this support. We might have a bit of reversal from the $3. We got the resistance around the 435. PLRZ no good. Yeah, still weak. SPRC, we have a fake out again. Yeah, you know what, guys? SPRC, I don't trust it anymore here. WW is getting near, but it's still look light on volume. Yeah, NITO, we have a reversal now. NITO could be good for a reversal, guys. NITO could be good for reversal. Let us check the stock that have haltation currently. We got RGC and MAS. NIVF, let's see, and MAS. And IVF, I think, is acquisition. And MAS, let's check this one. No good. The other one is RGC. Light on volume, so it's not good. Yeah, we got still NITO, IFF maybe, WW, and VNI. GBUS could be good now. Yeah, GPUS looking great. So now we got only three. GBUS looking great to go toward the 465. Yeah, looking interesting now. What a day. FNGR 24%, but it's too risky, man. There is a huge slippage on this stock. I don't know, maybe in your broker is much smoother, but is on my broker is too slippery. Let's see the other lists. We already took SPRC from the list. NCNA, no good, we said. KWE, ZCAR is still trying, guys. ZCAR is still trying here for a breakout. Yeah, IVF, I don't like it, man. Pull back a lot. And the same for CEP. It's still pulling back. Guys, this one was the top gainer before. It went from $60 right now, almost $30. Now it's getting near around a good territory for a reversal. It's getting near a zone of reversal. Could be good for later hunt. Pony could be good as well. I'm gonna put it on the main list. But NITO is still number one. AIFF number two. After that, we got GPUS. PLRZ is still here. WW, nothing. NVNI, kids. Yeah, NITO, it is the one to watch, guys. Still the one to watch. Good morning. How's the weekend? Support. Eat right. How you doing, man? Doing great. Enjoying the sun and the weekend. But we have unexpected rainforest. It was kind of tropical weekend. We have a huge rain coming up on Sunday, and the day before it was pretty hot. It was confusing. HIMS. HIMS is not good, man. HIMS is not on our list. It pulled back from the resistance here. Once it break the 42.50, let me know. For now, I don't like it that much. It's too risky, man. Too risky business. Yeah, risky business. For now, is correcting down toward our support here, the 3660. Need to break the 4280 to go toward the 45, but now we should watch for the 36, but it's not my cup of tea. I will keep it on the waiting list here. Yeah, still NITO number one for a reversal, and AIFF for a reversal, and GPUS for a breakout. The rest, I will keep them on the waiting list. Nothing much happening. Let us see the market here. SMCI 2% down today. Palantir the same. Time for a short for Palantir, guys. Look really good for a short. Nvidia, Coinbase, neutral, Mara down 6%. Right, 6% down. AMD, the only one in green. What's going on? Aha, we got adjusted price target to 120. Still maintain overweight rating. Yeah, we got upcoming earnings. That's why tomorrow after hours. That's why holding. We have a huge anticipation for AMD, guys. For my opinion, AMD look undervalued here. If we have a huge earnings, this is will give us a huge jump for Palantir or Nvidia or AMD. Yes, AMD. Sorry, AMD look interesting. Really interesting play here. Anyway, the SPY is still holding the support, so no warning here. We don't have any warnings. NITO, guys, started to reverse. Watch out. NITO, the 52 was a perfect support entry, for my opinion. Really great support entry. There's always opportunity. You see, guys, opportunity always comes if you ready for it. If you're not, you're gonna miss it. Opportunity come every second. Weeble is pulling back, my brother. IVF, John is not good. Pulled back a lot. Broke the support. Palantir, Sally, we're gonna do update levels for Palantir later on our Discord and Patreon for the precise entry for it, because now it's pulling back. Kids is still on my list because yeah, it reversed perfectly from the 620, but now it's pulling back below the 8s. CEB, yeah, it fell hard. Now is there's a chance for a dip reversal. It look really good. Elliot asked about Hood. We have a huge dip for Hood. Yeah, it's just 5%. Let's see. Yeah, we got a dip, but yeah, we need more dip for Hood. Not, yeah, still there's a chance for another dip toward the 38.60 at least. Now it's pulled back from the 52. Yeah, Hood looking interesting for a swing later, so I'm gonna keep it on the list. Later, alligator, Hood. AMD doing really great, guys. The only one in green. Wait a second, NITO, NITO, what's going on? Broke the support. Holy baloney. Holy baloney. We broke the support. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the resistance. Currently, guys, we got the resistance. A big seller just came again and added their position just there around the 59. Yeah, it's still going down, guys. So this is a confirmed seller here around the 60 at the market open. We push back down now. Now there's another support to watch out for reversal just over, let's see here. Yeah, the strongest support should be over the 44 or 43. Yes, this is the main support currently to reverse from. If we don't reverse, will be game over, for my opinion. NITO is having another fun dip down. Yeah, as we said, guys, NITO was the best one today to take profit on early, man. Man, you are welcome. You are welcome. Wait a second. Which one? You are welcome, my brother. A man already took his profits on hyperscale data. Nice hunts, my brother, twice. Great, great hunt, my brother. This is what we do. We always take profit, guys, before even the market open. This is how we do it. The best example for today, we suggest to take profit. The second one here around the 73. Price pulled back, broke the trend here around the 60. And early on, it was perfect. You look, this all this action, guys, was in the pre-market. So if you were sleeping, you missed this trade early on. We already discussed it early here on our Discord and BitChon. As you can see, 1 p.m. Central European time, or almost 3 hours from now. This is where the action began. AIFF, no good as well now. It's pulling back a lot. GBUS, it might be a breakout coming soon. The rest is light on volume. So yeah, disappointed for NITO. Disappointed start, but it was good hunt on the pre-market. So already took profit on it. Not bad for today. What else we got? We got BUGA. So today we don't have a lot of stock that got halted. Not a long list, a really yeah, small list compared to the other days. No good for this one as well. Let's check. Amazon still down. SMCI still down. Tesla, Palantir still holding. AMD still the only one in green, guys. The SPY is not down a lot, so there's a chance for a reversal later on, guys. We're still holding the gap that we did yesterday. You see here, we have a huge gap. And today, Monday, we gap down, but we're still holding the 556. Yeah, this is a critical zone to hold for the whole market. The whole market should hold over this level. NITO. Let's see, NITO is still going down. Yeah, this one could be good for later on. We're still fishing, guys. We're still fishing for today. Amis, what's good float to you? It depends. Some stocks have like 1 million, 5 million, and some stock have even 50, but this is depends on the news, because sometimes we have low float stock. Yes, will be squeezing high and fast, but is not good to trade because have high slippage. The trick here is the float and the slippage for any stock. So if we have low float and high slippage, I will not trade this stock, even though the stock might squeeze. So there's many other factor, man. Many other factors affect the float. Can you give a level on? Yeah, CB up here really good for a reversal. It was overextended later last month. So CEB now is flushing down and is getting near the first support for a reversal. Yeah, it's testing the support now, 34, 37. Or to be exact, there around the 33. Yeah, 33 should be a reversal. If we don't hold, we're gonna have another flush. We're gonna update this one later on for the bottom, because we might have another dip down. Yeah, so CEP could be a good for reversal later on, guys. ZCAR is jumping, so it could be good for a squeeze, guys. ZCAR. Webull is still holding the support for today. I'm gonna keep it for later as well. So you see, guys, we got a nice list here for the stock that we might trade later. Yeah, not good. Not bad, I mean. Yeah, not bad. We got a good list here to hunt. AIFF, for my opinion, not my cup of tea anymore. NITO is still going down a bit. Yeah, ZCAR is halted, guys. ZCAR is halted. Oh, whoa, ZCAR should be number one, guys. ZCAR hit the psychological level around the $10. Yo, ZCAR is going to the moon. 31% on light volume. Look at that, just like 600K. So this one will be a bit risky, because if you want to enter, for sure have high slippage, and plus there is a lot of manipulation will be going on with the stock. There is a manipulation going on behind the scene for sure. So ZCAR, one of the top stocks now. If you don't know, now you know. ZCAR halted. Yes, man. Norma, Alderston, John, everybody talking about ZCAR. ZCAR is going. Think we got something going on with it, some news going on. Now it broke from the first resistance, the $10. The other resistance at the moment is the 1133. Let's see. Yeah, 1130. This is the target after the unhalting, guys. There's a huge chance that we're gonna have a jump, test this level, and go down. So now 31%. I expect another 10% then flush, because it's still heavily shorted, guys. I don't trust it that much. Still heavily shorted. So if we got unhalted, we need to hold this level to go up over the 920. Would be great if we held. Dawn and Palantir, as we discussed, everybody, Palantir and Ford have earnings after hours today. So we're gonna update them on our Discord and Patreon later on for the updated bottom support, as we did with Meta and Microsoft, because now it's pulling back. before the market close by 1 hour, I'm gonna update the level for Palantir and Ford because they got earnings. So the game plan on our Discord later on, guys. We're gonna update the chart and put it on the King Elite Swing Trade. ZCAR to the moon. GPUS, I don't like it. NVNI, the same. So ZCAR is the number one. GPUS. Yeah, GPUS, we have a little breakout testing the resistance. Then we have a fake out a bit. It is a bit dangerous because we might have a fake out now. Already did. If it jumped, we might have at least this 530 and 630, but for now, it's still undecided. Yeah, around the 566. I don't trust it that much, this one, man. Around the breakout. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put support there. Yeah, it is tricky. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. ZCAR is still hold it, guys. ZCAR is still hold it. $10.01. We hold it around the $10.01. Go figure. Guys, be careful. ZCAR is on the first to do something crazy. NITO still have a chance. So those the top stocks for today, guys. ZCAR is unhalted right now around the 1050. We might have a little spike until the 1130 and this flush. Be careful. 1130, it is the target. This is the zone of rejection, guys. Here. This is the rejection zone. Is too dangerous, guys. ZCAR is too dangerous. Unpredictable. Wow. We have a big buyer from below and big seller from above. We are in midway. Look at that. Indecision. We went until the 1111 or $10.90. Yes. Let's go. RTC. Anderson, why RTC, man? Why you asking about RTC? Nobody asked about this one before. Whoa, ZCAR is jumping, guys. ZCAR toward the 1130. RTC, no good, man. It's dead. ZCAR is the one to watch. TZUB is dead. So we only have ZCAR, guys. The only one that look fantastic with GPUS and NITO. As we said, ZCAR want to test the 1130, then flush. If we don't break this level, we're gonna go down. If we broke it, we're gonna get halted up. ZCAR slowly and surely getting near the 11. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We have the test around the 1130 right now. 1135 even. Holy baloney. Look at that. ZCAR with light volume testing our resistance. Now, guys, if we get shorted down, will be perfect. You know why? Because we could have another entry down for a reversal up. Because if it broke right now, it would be too risky. Yeah, this is would be really great, man. If we have a flush now, would be perfect. Now, flush, yes, flush, flush, flush. We might get halted down now, guys. We have a big seller. Look at that. We tested the 1130, we down 7% after that. And need the price to go down toward the 9. Come on, go down on your knees. Jesus said, kneel. You have to kneel before Jesus. WW, I'm gonna put it on the main list. WW breaking out. WW guys, alert, breaking out here. Doing fantastic, WW. ZCAR on your knees. Exactly, kneeling before Jesus. ZCAR. Yeah, WW looking great, man. Watching it. Those the top stock, the stars for today. WW and ZCAR. Those the two guys. WW, we got a breakout here. A nice breakout. However, low action, man. That's the problem. I don't like those kind of breakouts. Low action. Low action. ZCAR, yes, confirming. Big seller around the 1130 as we discussed, guys. What a nice short. Open right around our resistance. Again, guys, don't forget, we're gonna do a major update for those stocks later on our Discord and Patreon as usually do, because those stocks, the chart will change later. So we're gonna do major update here on our Hunter channel. As you can see here, the kids, the best trade that was from last week, best entry was around the $3.30 early last week, and then went toward a 10. Great hunt. My brother Ahmed, he sell ZCAR around the 1120, right around our resistance. Shout out to Ahmed, he killing it. Great, man. Great that we took profit before the pullback that we discussed right now around the 1130, 1120. You exited before 10 cent, man. Great. So this is great, man. So for now, as we discussed, guys, ZCAR is have a struggle around the 1130. We're gonna discuss the other levels and profit taken for ZCAR later on, guys. With WW for sure, and NITO and GBUS. The rest of the stock is history. PLRZ is getting weaker here. NVNI is okay. Kids is pulling back. HIMS, nothing. CEB, oh man, CEB, nice reversal. Started to reverse right now. Anyway, let us check. Yeah, nothing much here. The swing trade, yeah, SMCI neutral, Tesla down, Palantir. We got someone buying the dip. The SPY is still holding. Nothing much happening for the swing trade stocks, guys. The market is a bit slow. NVNI try to break. Yeah, around the 46, yes. Trying to break the 46. Exactly, man. Exactly that. We have a trying for a breakout. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, tomorrow we're gonna do another update and another live streaming. If you missed the trade for today for NITO, which was the best entry for us on pre-market today. Make sure to come early tomorrow. Better yet, to come early 3 hours before the market open on our Discord and Bitcoin to be updated early on our entry and exit for mini stocks and the pre-war market watch list video that we do daily on our today hunt. We discuss Webull for reversal, of course, before the jump that happened on the market open, because usually the action happened in pre-market, guys. As you can see, NITO was way better to enter at early on at market open or before the market open, and exiting during the market open, because once the market open we flushed down. Shout out to Dexter Ahmed who took already profit on this trade. Ahmed, the NVNI tried to break, and AGMH, I don't like it. AGMH, man, is not on our list. AGMH anymore. I don't know if it's jumping right now or not. Anyway, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna discuss the market later on, especially for Palantir and Ford, who have earnings later on. So make sure to tune in on our Discord and Bitcoin for a major update for the whole market. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.